Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this brand new Volkswagen vehicle. Introducing the Volkswagen Polo Style that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the desired deep black pearl paintwork, enhancing that modernised edge. It does house your 1 litre TSI engine and handy manual transmission, making it the ideal nippy city upgrade for any individual. Top features do include your light and sight pack with your auto LED headlights, alongside your 16-inch alloy wheels and the added convenience of your power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors. The boot offers plenty of space for daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery ensures comfort all round with access to your central power outlets. Moving into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further convenience with access to your central touch display screen and again the comfort of your cloth trim. And for seamless navigation around the vehicle, you will find your various audio controls on the steering wheel with the options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displayed vital driving data, various audio and even your full view display of your navigation system to help you around those unfamiliar areas. You do also have the added bonus of your adaptive cruise control to assist and keep away from any close traffic. Moving across, you do have a selection of radio stations to keep you well entertained, alongside your app Connect with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Again, you do have your navigation system equipped with your points of interest to quickly get to your nearest shop or petrol station. You do also have the activation of your front and rear sensors for those awkward parking manoeuvres, reducing the chance of any minor bumps. And for a desired temperature, you do also have your on-screen dual climate control option, followed just below by your main touch buttons, including your 2 front heated seats for the winter. This is followed just below by your handy charging pocket, central cup holders and small storage area. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.